ल लास्ट सन्दीप लामिछाने ओ यार छक्का हान्यो यार
Crucial dot ball to begin with.
ए हैन रहेछ यार
Slow through the air, Sandeep Lamichhane falling in outside the off stump. It was very slow through the wicket.
ल ठीक छ केटोले राम्रो गर्दै छ है ल हेरमै लास्ट हो है लास्ट हो अर्को ओ यो दामी यार बिग फ्यान यार सन्दीप लामिछाने बिग फ्यान मा टक्ने यार गरे यार यो हो नि त ओ को नाइस यार ओपी ओए मा टक्ने ओए मा कसम सुन्दै
Asif Sheikh did the formalities, but Farooq, well, simply was out-taught on a world-class piece of leg spin bowling. The run-outs of Irie, the run-outs of Adil Alam, and the brilliance
जित्ने ला अब नेपालले जित्ला जस्तो छ ढुक बनाख के उही उति हानिरह छक्का हानेन भने जित्दिन
Asif Sheikh doing the rest. The batsman was way out of the crease, coming down the track, missing it completely. Easy work for Asif Sheikh. 9 wickets down for Qatar with the bails off with sheer elation.
विकेट लियो सन्दीपले विकेट लियो अब लास्ट अब के हुन्छ हेरम कत्रा बबाल भछ रे
This is a chase that for the vast majority of it, Qatar looked in complete control of. They were 79 for none with 1 ball to go before drinks. Lamichhane struck then to get the big wicket of Lianagi. If he gets one more, he'll have a 5-wicket haul to his name, and wouldn't he deserve it? Sensational bowling. He has dragged his nation back into this contest. Can he close it out? Should be a single. It will be no more as Chad does the fielding. The equation ever so difficult. 9 to win off 2. 2 boundary fours sends us to the super.
अब चौकार छक्का हानेन भने काम छैन छक्का हान्नु भएन त्यति हो छक्का हान्नु भएन है छक्का हान्नु भएन छक्का हान्नु भने 45 हुन्छ छक्का हान्नु भएन है ओए छक्का हान्नु भएन है ओए छक्का हान्नु भएन है ओए हान्नु भएन है यो ओए ल बधाई छ अब जित्यो ओए छेक्यो हाय त्यो कस्तो मिस्टेक भयो लास्ट दुईले हो अब जित्यो जति गरे नि जित्यो ल
Sandeep Lamichhane just going to his left. Beautiful fielding by Sundeep Zora. A very good stop, diving one. Down to long on.
ल अब छक्कै हानि नि जित्यो नेपालले
Otherwise Nepal is going to win. Fielders are flying everywhere. And look at this, remarkable scenes. He has called the captain and vice captain to come and have a discussion with them. Amazing to see the faith that he's showing. His 2 leaders, he's asking them, where do I go, what do you want me to do, what's the best delivery? Asif Sheikh also comes over with the word of advice, so too Sampal Kami. You have to love associate cricket. There is never a dull moment. Nothing delivers as consistently as this. Nepal on the brink, 1 good delivery, gives them a 3rd win, would get them within touching distance of that dream ticket, the golden ticket, spot number 18 at the T20 World Cup. Can Lamichhane hold his nerve? Here he comes, final ball of the match. Speared in, it's given as a wide.
विकेट आयो ओए विकेट लास्टमा नि विकेट आयो ल नेपालले जित्यो विनर कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन